Okay, question 21. Given g of x equals x raised to the third power plus 2x squared minus x, evaluate the g of -3. Notice, -3 is inside parentheses. That means that is the input to our function. So when we replace x with -3, for every x in the function, we get our output g of -3. So I want to show you first how to do this on the calculator using a different command called the store command. So home screen, new doc, say no to drugs, and add a calculator page. Now the store command, we're going to press Control, the blue key, followed by the var key. It's right above the number 9. And that's our store command. So if I say -3 store x, every time the calculator looks at an x, it sees a -3. So next, we can type our equation in the calculator just like we see it. We're not typing g of -3. We're not typing the equal sign. So we're going to start with x cubed. You didn't really need parentheses there, but I tend to always put parentheses when I know there's a negative. So plus 2x squared minus x. And our answer is -6. Now, all this command does is substitution. Everywhere that you see an x in the problem, it replaced it with a -3. And we're taking advantage for the calculator for that because one of our problems is when we're dealing with a negative, if you don't put that negative in parentheses, the calculator could lie to you. So we have the -27 plus 18, and that works just fine. But the problem is the last step. Sometimes when people have a negative in front of another negative, they forget that a negative times a negative is a positive. So that's where we're going to have our -9 plus 3. And that's how we end up with that -6. So you can do this just by substituting on paper. But my recommendation is double check with your calculator to make sure that you put all your negatives in appropriately. And remember, this is a part 2 question, so you do have to show some work. So either show what you put in the calculator or show the process of inputting this for substitution, because this is really what I consider 2 free points as long as you make sure to show all your work.